Hello everyone. Welcome to Gharpedia. Let's now look at some distinctive features of modern design. Before we proceed to our today's video, which is going to be immensely interesting, do not forget to subscribe to our page and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Let's get started. Simple clean lines, rectilinear forms and flat roofs. Modern architecture stressed on rectangular forms with clean and crisp lines. All modern buildings are typically rectangular blocks with flat roofs. The horizontal and vertical lines are well defined in modern spaces and curves and ornamental forms are avoided. Open floor plan. The layouts in modern style structures were largely open to increase usable functional spaces by reducing hallways and corridor spaces. The open floor concept knocked off walls and instead brought furniture to create different functioning zones. Natural light and connection with nature. Modern style encouraged bringing in natural light within the space. This feature not only makes the space light and airy but also saves energy by reducing dependence on artificial lights. Soothing. Neutral and earthy colors. Whites, shades of beige, brown, yellow, gray and even black were staple colors of modern style, which avoided the use of bold colors. Even accent colors leaned more towards earthy tones because the goal was to create a natural and simple look. This, coupled with industrial materials, clean lines and ample light created a typical modern piece of architecture. Having learned the features, we shall now proceed to the evolution of modern interior style, starting with Scandinavian. Not too different from the modern style, the Scandinavian style too focuses on simplistic and function-centric design. Originating from northern European countries like Sweden, Denmark and Norway, the style was the simplistic expression of vernacular European architecture. It aims to enhance the space's comfort level using light, warm walls and flooring, large windows, etc. Mid-century modern. Developed in post-war America, the style also embraces modern building materials, promotes clean and sleek designs and focuses on enhancing living conditions and fostering family life. The material palette here consisted of a mix of traditional materials like wood, bricks and stone combined with modern materials like concrete and glass. Modern rustic. This is a blend of modern style and rustic antiques, particularly adorning extensive use of wood. This style can be looked at as a bolder take on the modern style. It uses exposed materials, darker color and ornamental furniture, which stands in contrast to the central theme of a modern style. This style basically blends two contrasting styles into a perfectly balanced blend of heritage and modernism. Modern glamour. Call it a rather artistic take on modernism. This style, though stays true to the design principles of modernism, it doesn't stop there. It takes it a step ahead and adds to the character of the space by incorporating artistic elements, delicate ornamentation and comforting colors. If you are someone who loves simple, clean and minimalistic aesthetics, then this style is for you. And, having understood this style, now, it's your turn to put this information to best use and design your space on modern decor lines. Do let us know how your space turns out. Leave a comment below if this information has sparked an idea.